Guys, welcome back again to my channel. Trust you guys are doing well and keeping safe. Today on this channel I'm going to be showing you how I make my Ofe Nsala. It's called white soup. It's a very special delicacy from the eastern part of Nigeria. If you want your in-laws to be wild, this soup is the right soup to prepare for them when you give them an invite. So guys, come with me, stay tuned, and let me show you how I make it. So to start with, I would like to show you the ingredients I need for this recipe. I've got my catfish. The best fish to use for this recipe is catfish, but some people do use any kind of meat that they like. You can use goat meat, cow meat, and all the other kind of protein that you want. So I've got my catfish here. I've already cleaned it, and to clean this, you can use lime and alum, or you can use just hot water and a bit of salt to get off the lime from the catfish. And I've got my yam here, which will serve as a thickener to this soup I'm making. I've got my habanero pepper here. I've got my ogiri called okweyi, and I've got my crayfish here. I've got my Maggi cubes here, and I've got this special leaf. It's called the utazi leaf. I'm going to be adding it to this soup. So welcome to my kitchen, guys. So to start my cooking, I've put my pot on the fire and I have my fish inside. I'm going to be adding some salt, a little bit of salt, then some crayfish, seasoning cube, seasoning cube goes in next. My yams for thickening. I'm going to be cooking it together with the fish. And some water. So to save cooking time, I'll be adding hot water to this. I'm not going to start cooking from the beginning. So not over fill it with water. The water should just be same level with the fish. Then you cover to cook. So while my fish is cooking, I'm going to give this pepper and this ogiri rough blend, and I'll be back. I'm going to check on my soup now and take out the yam, so I'll blend it. Yes. So I'm going to add my pounded ogiri and habanero pepper into my pot now. And I'll add a little bit of grounded pepper to it, and add the balance of my crayfish inside. And cover to cook. So I'm quickly going to blend my yam in the blender before I add it to the pot. So I'm going to scoop my yam into the pot. It's time to check on our soup. Yeah, okay. So now I'd like to add, the last thing I'll add now is my utazi leaf, and give it a minute and it's done. So guys, our soup is ready. I'm going to serve it now, and it is best served with pounded yam. So guys, our soup is ready. You can have this with pounded yam. I think it's the best served with pounded yam. If you want to wow your in-laws, if you have that special person coming, This soup is for you. Prepare for them. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. Hit that like button, subscribe button. Thanks for taking out time all the time to see my video, guys. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye.